Listen up. Leverage is a game changer. But before we talk about leverage, I want to bring you into an experience. Here in iTradeup Global, our mission is to impact the lives of 1 million adults globally to experience an extraordinary lifestyle of freedom. Now, there are two major ways we achieve that. We have the educational services and we have the leverage services. The educational services is designed to empower you with the knowledge required to stay highly profitable within the foreign exchange market. The Forex market is doing over $6.5 trillion on a daily basis. And guys, that's pretty huge. But with some level of knowledge, skill set, you stand a better chance to stay profitable in this market. So with the ITU Academy and the ITU TV, you are empowered with the knowledge required to stay profitable. Now let's talk about leverage. Leverage simply means how to have an expert result without necessarily being an expert. Leverage simply means the ability to make money from another person's experience, effort, expertise. But we have two major areas where you enjoy leverage in the system. We have the active income plan and we have the passive income plan. Now, the active income plan is designed to allow you to make money actively involved in the process. So you are learning, you are developing the skill, but you are actively involved doing the trading yourself. And we have the passive income system. Now, when it comes to passive income, there is a misconception about passive income. Some people think that passive income is about giving someone your money and expecting a certain return on investment. As much as that is good, there is a better way. Why? Because you see, money is about control. Power is about control. Whoever has control has everything. I can't trust you with my money as much as I don't expect you to trust me with your money. My money is more safe with me than it is with you. Your money is more safe with you than it is with me. So therefore, we have a system that is a game changer. Here, you don't necessarily need to give anybody your money to trade for you for any reason. Number two, you are at liberty to use any broker of your choice from any part of the world. Number three, because you have your money in your account, you can deposit and you can withdraw at will. And most importantly, you will be plugged into our support system that allows you to have access to real-time coaching and direction on how to enjoy the best experience moving forward. So what is the automated systems that we have? We have the SBT. The SBT is unique and comes highly recommended. Why? Because it has the highest risk management input parameters. Now what that means is this: as much as I want to make money from the foreign exchange market, I don't want to lose my money carelessly. And the foreign exchange market involves risk. So when it comes to playing within this space, you want to be very, very conservative as regarding risk management. And with this very automated system, it has the best risk management parameters imputed on it that allows you to stay highly profitable within the market. Secondly, it has the best leverage system, meaning you can make money pretty fast using the automated system. Thirdly, you can trade multiple currency pairs simultaneously. What that means is that you are like someone who has 10 stores open rather than having one store open. You stand a better chance of having and seeing more profit moving forward. And fourthly, it's highly scalable, meaning you can start small and eventually go big. If at the time of getting started, probably you have just $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 in your account, and you begin to experience this, and now you see results and you want to go big, it gives you that room to go big. Then we have the ABT. The ABT is a lower version of the SBT. It's actually programmed to deliver 50% of the results the SBT delivers. And that is why we call it the alpha bot trade. And finally, we have the BBT, the beta bot trade. Is the least of all the automated system, but it's pretty good. It's better than keeping your money in the bank. I will always say, rather than save up your money to spend it, why not put your money to work so you can live off the interest of your money? So guys, we welcome you into the future. Bill Gates said that one industry that will control the future is artificial intelligence. You're already living in that future, and we welcome you to experience it. One of the fastest ways to become wealthy is to discover where the world will be 10 years from today. Position yourself there before the rest of the world, and you will begin to experience amazing results. As you move on, you will see a good number of persons sharing their experiences, their testimonials, and trust me, to blow your mind. You meet the likes of Roland who started with just $1,700 in his account and went ahead to see his first $2,000 profit in less than 3 months. You see the likes of Precious, started with $1,000 account and then went ahead to see 48% account growth in less than 2 months. You will see the likes of Princely. You will hear from a whole lot of other persons sharing their amazing experiences. But we welcome you to the future. Let's experience the future together. Cheers to abundance. Let's go.
Hey fam, there is a revolution that is here right now that you need to jump on, and that is FXB, brought to you by iTradeup. Now, it is an automated trading system. Trust me, it's one that you have never seen before. How about having your funds in your own control? How about choosing a broker of your choice? How about just setting up and sitting down and seeing your blues in dollars though? How about, withdrawing at your own time, anywhere, anytime? Now that is what SBT is all about. It's called the Super Bot. Now I came into this in July, and I mean, like every other person, skeptical about the whole thing, and then bought my bot SBT, and then I funded my account with $2,000. Chose a broker of my choice, plugged in, and whoop, it began to grow from 400, then 350, then 400 again, then 500, and then it began to grow and grow until I began to see, an amazing $1,000 in a week. And then I began to see $2,000 in a week. And then sometimes I see like 1,000 in 3-4 days. This is pretty amazing. It is crazy because, when you start to grow into this kind of funds, you don't understand. You think it's scam. You think it's blood money. That's what poverty does. Now, it didn't get clear enough until we had to place a withdrawal. Ladies and gentlemen, when it got to that point, that's when I knew the difference between money in the phone and money in the bank account. When it came, then I knew that I had entered a new system of passive income. And then, because I needed to see my money every time, I began to make my withdrawals every two weeks. And at that point, my taste for money started increasing. Okay, no, there's no point. Let's do this every 1 week. Now, these are the things you need to know about the Super Bot system. It's not just like every other bot out there that helps you trade, and then you can't tell. No, the beauty about the FXB Super Bot that is brought to you by iTradeup Global is at no point is your equity at risk of going. That's the beauty of this thing. Now, you're not also giving your money to some company that promises you ROI. I mean, most of you must have been victims of all of these ROI things and signing agreements and all of those things. Anyways, there's a cure to all of that malaria now, and that is SBT. So all you need to do, fam, is get on the SBT, choose a broker of your choice, fund your account, and get your SBT started, set up on your trading platform. Like my coach will always say, it's good to work for money, but it's best when your money is working for you. And that's the beauty of SBT. Plug into SBT. I have done it. I'm a living witness. I have my records to show. Trade in, trade out, month in, month out. We are cashing out, we are trading, we are seeing blues, we are withdrawing. That's the beauty, of it. You can withdraw. That's the sweet part. You withdraw, you see your money in cash, and you do all right, and you can, uplift your life, and you can live the life you want to. That's what I've come to tell you today. Don't dull. It's a revolution, and it's here. If you dull, these glasses, the reason I'm telling you, because if you weren't glasses that time, we would have gone far. Do you understand? Don't dull.
Hello everyone. Do you know that financial freedom can be achieved and the solution is just right here? My name is Roland Ricketts and I'm using the SBT, and trust me, financial freedom is no longer a prayer point. God has done it, He's doing it, and I'm sure from my story, you'll be able to know how He can do it for you. So before I got hooked up on the SBT, money was coming in, yes, but not as much as I needed. Not enough to really do all the things I wanted to do. Not enough for me to achieve as much as I wanted to achieve. I'm a microbiologist and I'm also into music, and trust me, music is very cost intensive. You've got to pay for equipment, you've got to pay for staff, you've got to service the band, you've got to travel with the band, the fees and all that, come on. And in the middle of all that, you have to settle down and be creative and still produce good music. So a lot of that was telling on my finances because I've got a family to run and I've got other businesses to run. However, music is my passion. So at about, I think, July, thank God, a senior friend of mine told me about the SBT. You need to understand that your circle determines your level. If all you do with your friends is eat, drink, and flex, trust me, you will keep eating, drinking, and flexing, and your finances will go down. You need to have a circle that promotes opportunities, that tells you about opportunities. So this senior friend of mine, someone I respect so much, told me about it. I didn't see it as a risk, trust me, because I know if it come out good, you understand, it's good for my career, and if it doesn't, I've learned a lesson. However, I respect the person that told me about it, so I decided to plug in or get connected rather. And today is what? This is October, yeah? Trust me, I have made over 100% of what I invested and counting. So a lot of things I couldn't do before, I can do right now. A lot of people I wanted to be of help to, I can be of greater help to them. A lot of things I wanted to achieve with my music, a lot of equipment I wanted to buy. Trust me, there's no pressure on my financial life at all. And you know, it grows. So I still see myself achieving or attaining higher heights as regards my finance. So please, I will implore you to connect to the SBT. When you click the link and you see the details, chances are all these things we're saying are too good, look too good to be true, but trust me, I'm a proof producer of the SBT, and I'm going to be using it for a very long time, and I implore you to use it too. My name is Roland Ricketts, and like I said, financial freedom is here, and God has done it. You just have to get connected to it. Can somebody say amen?
My name is Prince Maro. I'm an entrepreneur and a business consultant in the agricultural sector. I've been trading passively using the SBT for 4 months now, and it has been amazing. The results has been mind-blowing, and it's something that I really want to share with you. I started trading on the 15th of April 2021, and at the beginning I was very skeptical. I talked to my friend, I told him, are you sure this works? Because Nigerians, we are all very skeptical about everything. But the first month, I put in about $2,000 and I made almost $600 on it. And I was so impressed by the profit margin that I got in the first month, and I knew I needed to key in and try to make more money. I've made almost 10 million naira using the SBT over 4 months. I'm talking about 2 to 2.5 million naira on a monthly basis. I'm telling you, this is the real deal. It's an opportunity for you to work and still play because you know your money is working for you. I've bought cars, I've bought lands, I've bought so many things because of the extra income that I make trading passively using the SBT. I need you all, I implore you actually, to take hold of this information, to take hold of this opportunity, to key in for a life of freedom, for a life of extreme and adverse possibilities.
Money they say makes the world go round, and you can all agree with me that with money, all your dreams can come true. My name is Precious Samuel, a marketer in iTradeup Global. Actually, we practice what we preach here. I funded my account with $1,000, that is August 19th, and I must say SBT has been doing amazing. SBT has been going smoothly, but within 3 months I've made up to 48%, more than 48% of my actual income. Is that not great? It is great. If you want to be part of this financial freedom, just click on the link below and you'll get to know more. Thank you.
Let's talk about automation. Automation is the future. Well, we can start living the future now. I discovered about SBT, that's the super bot, the super trading bot, on the 3rd of July. Like every other person, I was very cautious because of the frequent scams existing in the industry. But SBT have really cleared those doubts, and I might tell you that the experience has been amazing. Well, getting the SBT bot has been nothing but a blessing, and it has really opened a lot of opportunities for me when it comes to automation. The bot is actually very fantastic. I never actually thought that any bot can work in such a manner. The risk management are amazing. The PIP management is also something that is out of this world. I was able to recover 70% of my initial investment within 2 months of acquiring these bots. I don't know about you, but if we are thinking in the same way, then this is for you. You can click the link below to start your financial freedom journey now.
My name's Izuchukwu Jesse Onike, and I want to tell you a short story that will change your life. It all started on the 1st of July when I walked into this office, SBT organization. I heard about the bot and I decided to give it a try. I keyed into it, I bought it. I started with about $5,500. From July, we are in October now, I've doubled that particular amount I funded my account with. And all things being equal, I have never had any disappointment from that day till now. And I've been able to make a couple of withdrawals. So I implore you to invest with FSB. Give it a try, and I assure you, it will never remain the same. So for more information, click the link below.